Hello friends, today we'll unbox this Borosil Prima 30 liter OTG. So before going ahead, let's look at the manufacturing date. So it's manufactured in October 2019, imported from China. It's a 1500 watt OTG, requires 230 volt, 50 Hz, that's for India. And the total weight is around 7.5 kg. Capacity is 30 liter. So we'll open it. So we are shooting this in the month of May 2020. So that's actually when COVID is going on. We have kept this outside in balcony for more than 24 hours because as per the stats, the virus stays on cardboard for 24 hours, so we have kept it for more than that. But still we'll take some precaution. We'll be opening it very slowly. Here you can see the OTG is here. So what we'll do, we'll invert it and we'll pull out the cardboard package. So we'll keep this outside. So since this was packed in October, so this inside it's pretty safe. So you can go ahead and see what all things are there. So this is the accessory that we get. We have the tray, we have this for lifting the tray, we have grill, and there's a skewer as well. So this is the crumb tray which will be at the bottom. This is the grill, and this you can keep for cooking or cooking any stuff. These are the skewers. These are basically the skewers which will rotate. This is again for lifting the tray. You have the pot. So here you can see it has a cookbook and an instruction manual. So we have two sets of rod. These are for heating at lower part, and there are another two sets at the top. So we have placed it. We'll just do a small demo and test the microwave. So we have three knobs here. One is for temperature. The lowest, I think it's 60, and it goes till 230 degrees centigrade. We have timer, so it has started. So this goes to 60 minutes. So we don't intend to heat it, so we'll switch it off because we are just doing some testing. And there are different modes that you can choose. Like this is only the lower rods will get heated. This is all the three, the rods will get heated. The rotisserie will also be involved along with the lower rods. Here the upper rod and the rotisserie, upper and lower rods. So these are the different combinations. So we'll test with both upper and lower rods at 230 degrees centigrade. We'll switch it on for around 10 or 20 seconds. So you can see the light has come on. again we'll see. We can feel the heat over here. It's like too hot, and I think it will be not good to touch now. So the heating is working properly. This is also hot. This rod is also hot. I can feel the heat above as well. So everything is now perfectly functioning. This tray for the crumbs, we'll put it here so any crumbs will fall and it will be easy to clean. So we have this rotisserie which we can test whether it's rotating or not. So we'll put these. So these are to hold any kind of food stuff, be it paneer or chicken, whatever you want to cook. And you need to basically now fit in this rod here. I think it'll go other way around. And place it here, and then you can switch it on. So here we'll switch on timer for a couple of seconds, and you can see it's rotating. So this is also working as expected. All the functionalities we have seen, they are working perfectly. This is not a microwave, because I've seen many 1-star rating claiming that there's no microwave function. This is not a microwave. This is just an oven, toaster and griller. These are the functionalities that you can get with it. You can bake your cake, make bread, pizza, whatever you like. This is an excellent piece of equipment, and I think it deserves 5 ratings. Thank you.